has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool?
Hi you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie and I'm a wife and mama to two. I'm actually only 2 months postpartum with my second, and we've been going throughout my whole house after Christmas, redecorating each and every room, and this is the final room, my dining room, and we're starting off with a furniture flip. This piece was given to me by a brand a little over a year ago, and even though I am extremely grateful that I got it for free, and in this line of work I'm getting products to promote, and so it's such a blessing, but it's not my ideal piece. My ideal piece is this beautiful black and wooden hutch from IKEA, but it is pretty pricey. It kind of looks like the arch type of hutches that you've been seeing now that are in style, but it's not arched, and I'm just in love with it, but we just can't afford that right now. I am saving up for it, so in the meantime I thought that I would give this one a little bit of a makeover by painting it black so it matches my aesthetic more and add in some gold hardware. So I did my research because this is not a real wood, it's kind of like that compacted wood. So I did my research on how to get paint to stick to this, and you basically have to use like a bonding primer first, sand a little bit, use a bonding primer, and then add your paint on top of that. And spoiler alert, this is a horrible paint job. Thank goodness that I didn't pay for this because I feel like I totally ruined it. I mean, it is like it does look better than this like veneer or faux type of wood look that I wasn't too crazy about after a while. At the time that I ordered this piece from the brand, I did like it, but now my style is just kind of changing and evolving. So yeah, my mistake was I didn't look at the paint before I bought it, and it was an oil-based paint, and I hate working with oil-based paints. So I've learned from this experience, it's not the same as water-based. It's very thick and just weird, and it left a lot of drip marks. And yeah, so the paint job didn't turn out the best, but nevertheless it is still better in my opinion to this wood look. So I painted it black, and then I added some gold hardware from Home Depot, so you guys will see that. And then we're gonna get in here all decorated, add some wall sconces that I'm so excited to share with you guys, and I'll catch up with you guys when we start doing that.
Let go.
You made us work, I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me?
So this is the hardware that I got from Home Depot, and I didn't get much footage of this because it was dark and the camera quality was horrible, and oil-based also really smells. I didn't know how much it stinks. My husband had to take it out to the garage because I was really getting so nauseous, and that's never happened to me with water-based paint. So yeah, I just don't like oil-based paints. But now this is how my dining room is looking, completely blank, and we're just gonna clean up and then decorate in here and give it a whole new look. Another thing I want to do in here in the future is change out my curtains. I never fully committed to these, which is why they are pooling at the bottom, but I do want to add the beautiful thick linen pleated luxurious curtains sometime in the future. But right now we are going to add wall sconces that a company named Hymela, and I hope I'm saying that right, sent to me. These are actually battery powered, which is amazing. So you don't have to hardwire or commit to anything. They are hardwired. I mean, they aren't hardwired. They come with a battery pack that on a full charge can last up to 18 hours. And then when you need to recharge them, you literally just pop that out and then plug them in with a USB charger that is sent. And they also send you the light bulb. They have a whole line of battery operated wall sconces that are so beautiful. These are perfect if you have any empty space on your wall or in your home that you want to add something like this, add some customization, but you don't want to fully commit to anything, because these you don't have to fully commit, because if you ever change your mind or want to relocate them somewhere else, all you have to do is remove them and patch up the very small screw holes that they come with when you're installing. They are just beautiful. They changed the whole look of my dining room, and it was such a simple thing to do and install. So if you're interested, they actually sent me a discount code for you guys, 11% off site-wide, using the code Josie11, and you guys can order these wall sconces or any other ones on their website. I highly recommend the battery operated ones because it's just so easy and so convenient. My husband is gonna install them for me, and he did the little tape trick where he marked the little holes and then he put it on the wall and blah blah blah. He did all the measurements. I didn't do any of that, but I did enjoy looking at them after. But anyways, check my description down below if you are interested in these wall sconces or anything else on their website. You again could get 11% off site-wide.
I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could.
I know some of you are going to notice that my pantry door is right there, and technically, yes, if you open it all the way, it will hit the wall sconce, but we are actually planning to replace this pantry door too. I was just going to paint it, but I have so many ideas in my head for 2024. What we plan to do is put a different door in here, one of the bifold doors or a sliding door. I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking like black or a wooden tone or something like that, so stay tuned. But the next thing I'm going to do is style this buffet, and I put the mirror from Hobby Lobby. I will link a simpler one down below, but they usually have that in Hobby Lobby. This print I got off of Etsy, and I did the Mod Podge trick on it, so I'll have this print linked below because I love it. This is from Hobby Lobby. It was in the 75% off clearance. Its original price was $55, and I got it for $5. So I love it here because I didn't want to add more greenery there, because I'm going to add a big pop of greenery on my dining table. This little storage box is from Target, and they do still have it, so I'll have it linked down below. I love it. And the candlestick is from Hobby Lobby. I got it half off, and yeah, as always, don't buy anything in Hobby Lobby unless it's half off.
Somebody who's never gonna be around for me, around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you.
Then I wanted to add some coziness because I feel like there's just so much wood and solid things apart from my linen chairs, which I'll have similar ones linked down below that are on sale. But I got this runner from Home Goods, and I love it. It's exactly the length of my table. I wish it was a little longer, but it's really hard to find runners that are longer than this table because it's like 93 inches. This vase is from Home Goods, one of my favorite vase finds, and these stems are from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just going to add a candle and show you guys the end shots. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's short, but I do have lots of exciting things coming your way. So if you're not already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the new things that I have planned for 2024. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon, God willing, as always.
Can't stop time for you.
We both know it's too late, but I think you already know. 'Cause it shows that every time you're around, I try to stay on the low, but it grows, that crazy feeling
and I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in.